Thank you for joining me today. Today I have something exciting. If you're like me, I like to know what is inside of all these car parts. And I know most of you guys know what this is. This is a strut. This is from a 2014 BMW 328i, and it's for the front suspension. Normally there's a big spring right here. And we're gonna open it up or cross-section it and see how this thing works. All right, so how should we mount this thing? I'm thinking like this would be good. Like that right there. Okay, I'm thinking of cutting it around here and here and slicing off this top section right here. Now, you can see the sticker here, it says do not open gas pressure. So I'm not quite sure what to expect here. It does feel like there's some liquid in here. There's different types of struts. There's gas struts, liquid struts. So we'll see what this is. Definitely putting my safety glasses on for this one. Okay, I'm gonna start with a hacksaw on these two outer ends and then probably work my way across with a grinder. This looks like a good spot to start. This is just gonna jizz out, just squirt out, or if it's gonna really be under some pressure here. Maybe I'll just see what it does. Turn my head just in case. Maybe I'll put a rag over it. Let's put one of these here. I hear it. You hear it? A little hissing. It was just a little bit. I think we're safe now. No liquid came out, just air.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Some liquid is coming out now. It's like some red liquid. Almost looks like ATF, like automatic transmission fluid or power steering fluid. It does kind of smell like it as well. Interesting. All right, now let's do this side here. I'm thinking about right there should be good enough to kind of see what's going on, I think. I don't think it goes all the way down here. This is where it holds into the actual spindle or hub of the suspension. Clean this up, making a mess over here. Ooh, and take a little break here. So really quick, the job of a strut, it has two jobs. It's a strut assembly. Like I said, normally it has a spring up top here in this section. It's all sandwiched together with a couple other pieces as well. The spring actually holds the weight of the vehicle, and the strut dampens the up and down movements of the vehicle. So depending on the type of suspension, if it's like a sport suspension, this is gonna be a lot stiffer. So you're gonna have a stiffer ride, but the car's gonna handle a lot better. It's not gonna have as much body roll on it. right, we're gonna give you a little bit different view. This is called a die grinder or a cutoff wheel. I've had this guy since I was like 12 years old, and it still works to this day. Definitely gonna have some hearing protection. All right, let's see if we can open this up. I don't have it all the way through on one of the sides, but let's see what we can do here. Yeah. Interesting. Kind of cool. You see in there? Let's get a better shot for you. Okay, let's see how this thing works. Bunch of little sharp stuff going here. Oh, this doesn't want to move. Oh, it looks like there's a piston inside of here. So the surrounding case that this is sitting in, maybe it acts like the reservoir for what's going on inside of here. Looks like I still have some more cutting to do to get inside of here. Yeah! All right, now I have that section cut. Oh, check it out. Look at all those cool things. We have a spring here, some kind of little valve or something. But here's the main piston that is attached to the spring and everything on the outside that goes back and forth. It's not moving right now because of all these little burrs, so I'm gonna try to get some of these burrs off, and then we can get this thing to move and actually see what it does in there. All right, let's see if I can get it to move now. Almost, come on. Oh, it's jammed. Maybe because I have this tight? No. Oh, there's some burrs in here. No! There it is. Get some of that out of there. Sharp. All right, there it is. So we can see that this piston right here, it has a little valve built into it. It looks like there's some holes inside of here. You can't really see, it's tight. This is like a Teflon seal. And what this is doing is, as this piston is going back and forth through the fluid, there's a little restriction inside here. So when this is pushing down, it's compressing the fluid, but allowing a little bit of fluid through. It's hard for it to go through, so that's what's creating the dampening effect when the wheels are going up and down. So this does both ways, this way and that way. It has that resistance because there's that little orifice inside of there, a restriction, preventing the fluid from flowing freely. And what this spring is doing here, this is when you hit those really big bumps and it needs that little extra cushioning here, and it's mainly to not damage the interior components when you hit one of those big bumps. That big spring that's attached to the strut, that is the guide that's supposed to do the main work for things like that. So this is kind of like a backup and a little safety valve to keep all these components from getting damaged on those big bumps. Guys, thank you for joining me today on this awesome video. This was so much fun. I was looking forward to this for so long. I hope you've really enjoyed it. I'd appreciate it if you could please like and subscribe. I have some more videos like this. I'll see you next time. Happy motoring to you.